Okay, it is showing that I'm live. Just a second and let me check if I'm live or not. Uh, I think I'm live. Let me recheck. It is not showing that it's reconnecting. So I think I'm live. Yeah, I'm live. Okay, sure. I'm live. Great. Let me share my screen with you all. I think it's visible, right? Let me read the problem statement. Given an array of integers, for each element, find the closest distance-wise to its right that has a higher frequency than the current element. If no such element exists, return -1 for that position. Okay, to its right. If we'll just use a map, if I'll map all the elements, suppose if I'll do something like mm, I'm mapping all the elements to its right. Okay, let's suppose um, let's think that I have uh, let's think that mm, is there any data structure that will tell me in this range there is an element present or not? Or suppose that I can use a prefix array type and I'll keep the mm, that's going to still take the same time. I'll just add the frequency of I'll keep a map, that is for sure, of int comma int. First of all, I'll count the frequencies of all the characters, right? The main thing is to find the next, like is it present right or not, in the right or not. That's the main thing, right? So checking it is present in the right or not, what I'll do, I can do one thing. uh, okay, for ith element, yeah, I can do it using map only. For the ith element, what I'll do, first of all, I'll check how many elements are present for the mm, for the ith element. Let's suppose for 3. Let's start with 3. I'm going to check in the map कि कितना सारा, how many elements are present. Map there are 2 elements present. Okay, I'll add those frequencies in our answer. For now, what for 1, if suppose I had only 1 2 in the left, so I would have just decreased it, right? But I am not decreasing it. Okay, suppose the array was 2 1 comma 1 comma 3 comma just 2. Suppose this is the array. Mm, as I'm going forward, going forward. Okay, 211321. Can I use a map now? Because order of India. I can use a map. Great. 21132. Right. Now what? Checking the frequency of how many elements are present in the map. It will give me the size as 3. 3 minus 1 is going to be an answer. But in the right, okay. So right में कितना है? In the left we had uh, we will also keep a map that will keep track of all the elements till ith position. I'll keep two maps. Will it work or not? No. How many frequencies of two are there? One. Like total, how many frequency of two are there? Two. For one, there are two elements. The frequency is still two. Frequency is still two. For one, none of them have the frequency greater than 3. No, prefix array is not going to work. Uh, Closest distance wise to its right. Acha, closest distance wise to its right, right. See, doing the thing that I am thinking, it is, let's do that. But it is going to take much time. What I'm going to do, I'll keep a map, keep the frequencies, and for every character, I'll just find the like closest distance wise character and its frequency. So yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that and do that. Let's see how it goes on the map of int comma int. Let's say mp. So auto x of a double r mp of x plus plus. Okay. Now what? Add answer. Size of n. Answer. ठीक है. डबल आर ठीक है. For okay. Now index is equal to I and index is equal to I plus 1 while true. Okay. Now what I have to do? I have to check if MP of double R of index dot find हो ही जाएगा. MP dot index the frequency is greater than that of uh, the MP of WR of I. If this is the case, put answer like A double R of I is equal to A double R is equal to empty of A double R of index. Great. And just break while index is smaller than uh, while index is smaller than n, else mm, just do index plus plus. Great. Now what? After doing this, after getting to the while loop, I just have to come out and return answer. Right? Let's see if this works or not. Minus because I plus one add up index is greater than an MP of A double R of I. Uh, uh, for two, okay, starting from one. Acha, how many elements are there, right? It can be solved mm, using map only, I guess, because there only we can get the count of the elements, the number of elements. Using this will take more than of n time complexity, closer to n square, because we are checking each and every index again and again and again. So it will take more time complexity, and this is not right. Here I have to write something like uh, I'll keep a index, add it again and again. So I don't think this is going to work. This is not going to work. For left, uh, whenever I'm iterating through the left part, mm, your job is to uh, okay. Your job is to just uh, keep track of all the elements in the left, right? That thing I have to just keep it in mind. The elements that I have in the left, I will have to eliminate those elements, right? Okay, great. For that, I will have to. Okay, I can keep something like my screen is visible, right? I can do something like making a stack to keep track of all the elements, right? Right. So okay, okay. So while the current frequency is greater than the frequency at stack stop, okay, lst is not empty. First thing, stack is not empty, and the condition is the map of ARR of I, map of ARR of I, if this one is greater than the mm, map of the stack stop, ARR of st dot top. If this is the case, this is the case, uh, just add the element or update the value of that to this. Okay, uh, array of st dot top is equal to ARR of I. Great. Now st dot pop. Yeah, I think this one more thing. After everything, I have to push this, right? Push the value of I. Great. Let's see if this works or not. Compilation error. St is not empty. Empty. Okay. Uh, why it is not going into this? Uh, why it is not going into this condition while stack is not empty? Uh, and stack is already empty. So first of all, push this into stack, right? After that, in next iteration, stack has element and an array of EWR of I, MP of EWR of I, which is nothing but one, uh, is greater than map of st of top. I need to have it sorted on the right. Still not okay. St dot top array of this. Once again, one, two, three, right? Is it going into this or not? Answer of st dot top, right? It is going into this. Answer of st dot top is equal to ARR of I. Yeah, this is working completely fine. Let's see. Okay, so I think it's pretty clear to you all. Okay, let me tell you what happened is what I'm trying to do is, first of all, I had to keep it in mind that somehow I have to keep track of all the elements that I have already visited, right? I have to keep track of all those things. So what I'm trying to do is, like, if the I'll check this condition. This is the main condition. Like, if the this element's frequency, if it is greater than this element's frequency, if this is the case, this is true. Like, this element's frequency is greater than this element's frequency. If it is smaller than suppose key, if this element's frequency is smaller than this one's, so it is not going to get go into this loop. And because there is no way that you will have these elements on the right hand side. Okay, so I'll just push this element into our answer, and yeah, that will solve my issue. So thank you so much. The display was not visible. One second, let me show you. Is it visible now? Let me see until when it was not visible. Okay. After I just submitted now. No issues. See, what I'm trying to do is, first of all, mm, where I am, yeah. So I'll just first of all push this element into our stack, and then if any of the elements come, okay, I'll just check this frequency with this frequency. If the like this frequency, if it is greater than this element's frequency, suppose in this 3 case, what is the frequency of 3? If you will see, the frequency of 3 is only 1. What is the frequency of this, like frequency of s dot top? It is 3. So it is going to go into this loop and will add the element into our answer. So yeah, if you are still not understanding, just think, this 3, for this 3, is it going to go into this like this loop or not? It will definitely not go into this loop for this 3. For this 3, it is not going to go into this loop. But for this 2, will it go into this loop or not? Yeah, it will definitely go into this loop, because the frequency is 2 is greater than the frequency of 3, right? So it is going to go into this loop, and it will update the element of the update the answer of this 3 to the frequency of 2. What is happening here? Answer of s dot top is equal to array of I. So like mm, the like the closest element is array of I. We want to print like add the array of I, okay, not the frequency. So this is going to work. If you are not understanding, just tell me, I'll understand it again. If no, thank you so much for watching.